you guys had a really good holiday season and are enjoying January so far, which is halfway over already. We had a really good Christmas. We were out of town with my side of the family, and while we were there, we were able to celebrate our baby Mila's birthday. We just did something really small, and then we came back before New Year's to celebrate with my husband's side of the family, and then we had a little birthday party for her, so with all of our family. Some of my family was here in town as well, and our friends, and she had her little baby friends there as well, and it was just so cute. I'll try to insert some clips or pictures, but she had a lot of fun, and it was just so sweet to be able to celebrate her. And now we have a 1-year-old, which is crazy. It just went by so fast. But yeah, since we had family in town, we've just been taking it really slow and just relaxing a lot, enjoying time with them. But now I feel like the house really has fallen behind, and it's getting really messy, and I still have all of my Christmas decorations up, so I really want to take those down, clean the house, do some organizing. She got a lot of toys for her birthday, so I really want to organize those a little bit better. And yeah, I just feel like I did a lot of relaxing and resting myself, which is also really good to start the year. But now I'm feeling very motivated and ready to make sure our house is in order. So I'm going to give it a good refresh and reset it for the new year. So if you're looking for motivation, I hope you find some today. And I'm going to go ahead and start with all of the Christmas decorations. I'm going to take them down, organize those, and I feel like our home's going to start to feel much better after that. I feel like I was so late to take everything down, but now that everything is put away, it does feel really nice just to have our home feel like a fresh, clean slate for a while before I add in any decor again. I'm thinking of just adding in some Valentine's decor to our kitchen for now, but for the rest of the areas, I want to take my time with redecorating, maybe even do some decluttering of my decor before I add it back. And honestly, with a baby, things just take longer, and I'm okay with that right now. So it did take me such a long time to put away all of the Christmas decor, and it might take me a bit to redecorate. But also, I do like to make sure things are somewhat organized when I put them away. That way, when I take out my decor for the next year, I'm not too overwhelmed with everything. So I have all the bins labeled and things wrapped. So it felt good to put everything away nicely, and now the house feels so much better. Okay, now that the Christmas decor is all put away, I do need to clean up the kitchen, do some dishes, because I want to organize the pantry. It is so messy in there, so I really want a clean kitchen before I start taking everything out of the pantry and organize it. And we do have those flowers from Mila's birthday party still, so I'm going to just keep the ones that are still alive and then do a little arrangement maybe to put on the island. So just need to quickly clean up this kitchen. I always feel like once the dishes are all washed and the kitchen is clean, tackling the rest of the house seems more doable, and I'm motivated to get everything else clean. So I'm glad I started with this before I did any organizing. Like I said, I've been really wanting to organize the pantry. It just got out of control over the holidays. There were lots of things in there that I needed to go through and reorganize the bins I have, which decluttering and organizing the pantry is pretty much a monthly task for me. But especially for the new year, it definitely feels great to reset it and have it hopefully stay organized as long as possible throughout the year. I also cleaned out the fridge, which I didn't film, but it was on my to-do list and just felt really good to organize in there as well. Okay, before organizing the pantry, I wanted to first set out these fresh flowers. Like I said, we had them at Mila's birthday party and most were still alive and pretty, so I just removed the dead ones and made a small arrangement of just the baby's breath to put on the counter. And then I put the rest of the flowers in this glass vase for the island. They lasted such a long time and made for the perfect colors and arrangements for almost February. And I hadn't had any fresh flowers out, I think, since like November or something, so I was excited to have some out for this month. Okay, here is the before of the pantry. Things are just looking messy and it was hard to find anything, but I do have labeled bins and a can organizer that for the most part does help to keep things in place or just helps me know where I need to put things. So I first removed all the bins and went through everything, and then I wiped down the shelves and then put everything back in place, and it felt so good just to reset everything, and hopefully I'll keep it nice and organized for a while. Okay, here is the after, and it looks way better, a lot more organized than it was. Okay, all of the Christmas decor is put away. Things are looking cleaner. I did remove the rug. This is just the pad that goes underneath from this area, so I can wash it. It's from Ruggable, so I love that you can just remove it and throw it in the washer and you can wash it. So we're going to put that back on. It's already dry, and we're just going to rearrange, probably just move the couch. I think we're going to bring our plants down here since this is looking pretty empty, but still move the couch to center it more. And I also bought some boxes to organize Mila's toys a little bit better, some bigger boxes that fit more things. So we're gonna organize that, and things are definitely starting to feel better in here. Here's the area where I added the baskets for the toys, which they're still really pretty and decorative, but definitely help to keep things really nice and organized. Okay, we brought these plants down here. They used to be in our upstairs living room, but since we took the tree down, it was just looking really empty. So I think that they look nice here. So I just fill up the space. And once I actually decorate, I'll add some pillows to the couch just to make it look a little better. But for now, it's looking nice and clean. And the last thing I needed to do was just wipe down this dining table so I can add in just a really simple arrangement, just a vase with some stems. We did have a lot of things on this table that I needed to go through and put back in its place just from the holidays and Mila's birthday. So I did that and then just wiped down the table and set this here for now. And then I will soon decorate this cabinet and the rest of our home. But for now, it's feeling really good just to have things clean and reset for the beginning of this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, got some motivation if you're needing to do some resetting of your home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon on my next one.